Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're going to be working on the carbon fiber hood I picked up. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up here to see where I found this hood and how cheap I got it for. But here's the condition of it after I cleaned it off at the end of the last video. There's still a little pitch on here. Bought some alcohol, but we're just going to do a quick little cut and polish on it, see if I can bring it out. Here's some alcohol. I got some sanding paper. I might sand it down a little bit. But here's the condition of it. I think it should buff out some. I'm still going to rewrap the whole hood in fresh carbon and resin it, but that'll be at a later time. Right now I just want to kind of see if I can make it look good until I do that. People are saying I should just do this and re-clear it. I want to kind of get rid of these cracks right here. But for right now, we're going to get this polisher over here. We're going to use some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and Ultimate Polish and give it a try. Let's just get this a little bit on a rag and just kind of do it by hand first and see how it works. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take this alcohol, try to get all this pitch from the tree that I was sitting under off, and then we'll buff it out. Alright, got all the pitch off. Time to let's do it with the microfiber. Let's give it a quick little rub with this compound up here in this corner, see what it does. Just by hand. Look at that. Looks pretty good. So I think just doing this on the whole hood until I rewrap it is going to be a good idea. So let's get the buffer plugged in and get this thing buffed out. After just compound and a buff, and then right here I took some 1500, just barely scuffed it. So what I'm going to do, actually I'm just going to scuff this whole hood up and then I'll buff it out, hopefully get a good result. Listening to some Downtime with Downstar. A little update on this. Got it halfway wet sanded with 1500. Look at that. It's looking pretty good. Up here, kind of burned through a little bit on the carbon, but that's fine. I'm gonna redo this whole hood later on. So let me finish wet sanding this area, wipe it down, and get it polished. Got it all wiped down, dried off. Time to buff it out. Okay, got it buffed out. For the most part, I ran out of compound, but look at that. I still need to polish it. but not bad for a $40 hood. I mean, you can still see the cracks right there. Didn't wipe this off yet. But for a $40 hood, I think it's looking good. So I need to get the polish. I'm going to use this Meguiar's Ultimate Polish it out, and we'll see the final product. Just got done polishing, and I think this hood looks great for $40. Man, this looks amazing. Ready to see this? See if I can get a focus there. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I think this is going to look great. When I repaint the car red, then even if I just keep the hood the way it is, it looks pretty good. I think $40 well spent for this. But you can see the cracks right here. Maybe. Yeah, right there. And then alongside here. But for $40, I can pass up this deal. I think the carbon will look great on the car once I rewrap it. It looks great right now. That will get me to springtime when I'm gonna paint this car and I'll rewrap the hood with fresh carbon, and we'll learn how to do that together. I'll also be painting this car right in here. We'll be doing that together. Because you're watching this, you know, you're my partner. You help me out. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment something down below. Comments help push this video to more viewers. So if you're here right now, just write a comment. We can talk about whatever you want. What are you doing to your build? What do you think about the carbon fiber hood? Just let me know. And then one last thing, if you can hit that subscribe button, because I know you right there, you're not subscribed. So just hit that button right there. Road to 1,000. We'll have a giveaway when we get there. I've been rambling on too long. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. And until next time, peace out.